Hey, this is Andrew Brown, and in this follow along, we're going to use the Amazon S3 Byte Range fetching option so we can fetch part of a file from S3. So what we're going to do is go over to our AWS examples repository. I'm going to, of course, open this up in my cloud developer environment. And the idea here is that we want to upload a file that has enough data that we can use this byte range fetching on. So while that's opening up, I'm going to go to AWS S3 CLI. I actually want probably the API one here. Let's go take a look if we can go find that flag. So we'd probably be using get object. And if we go into here, it probably has the flag down below somewhere. There's something range right here, range. So we can go ahead and try to use this range as a means to grabbing the data. So download the specified byte range of an object there. And so I guess that's how we're going to do it. Here we have more of an example down here. So here it'd say the example below demonstrates the range to download a specific byte range of an object that needs that there. Okay, so this is now open. I'm going to go and create a new folder here. We'll say byte range, and we're going to create a new file here. I'm going to say hello.txt, and we're going to have hello world. And so what I want to do is I just want to extract out some of the text from here and not all of it. Now the question is, can we make it readable? I'm not 100% sure, but we'll do our best to figure it out. So let's make a readme.md so we have a place to write our commands. We first need to create a bucket. So I'm going to create this bucket, and it's going to be AWS S3 make bucket S3 : range fun AB for my initials, and then we'll put some things in there, some numbers. We'll go ahead and create this. So we'll say allow, we'll hit enter. And so now it's created that bucket. And so the next thing we want to do is upload our file. So upload our file. So we'll say AWS S3 put object. I'm going to do this just because we'll have to do get object here in a second. And this will have to specify our bucket, right? And then the next thing we need to specify is our, did not do what I wanted to do, that's fine, is our key. Get out of here. Just things opening up on me while I'm trying to work here. Hello.txt, and then we need our body, and so our body is going to be hello.txt, and I'm hoping that we can just specify the file here. That doesn't always work. It depends on what you're using. But in here, I'm going to go cd into the byte range directory. And that looks fine. Let's go ahead and upload that file. We'll go ahead and hit enter. I just type in clear because there's something wrong here. It doesn't like something. We'll try this one more time. It was S3 put object bucket range. That looks fine. Hello key, that looks fine. And it doesn't like the sub command. Oh, it has to be API, that's why. Okay, so we'll go ahead and copy this, and we'll paste this here. We'll hit enter. Hit enter again. What is it not like now? Okay, must be a path to a file, no problem. We'll change that. Copy, paste, enter. Okay, great, and so the file is now uploaded. So now the next thing is we want to go grab a range. So we'll go here and say get an object range. And see what happens. So we'll just go ahead and grab this example here. And we'll go ahead and paste this in. And we know what we want as our bucket and our key. So we'll go grab those. And here this would be just like the range. So range, we'll just say range.txt. I'm not sure if it's really dropping that to txt. And the idea is that this file has a certain amount of bytes in it. So if we do ls-la, this has apparently, what, 11 bytes? Let's go count this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 characters. So the idea is that we want hello, maybe 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 will get us that. Let's find out if that works. 0 to 4. Okay, we'll go ahead and say copy and paste and hit enter. It downloaded it. Let's take a look at the data. We got hello. That's kind of cool. So let's say, let's get only the word hello, get only the word world. So we'll try to get the other word now. And so here we said 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 to 10 is the range for the other one. So we'll say 6 to 10. And we'll go ahead and copy this. We'll hit enter. Didn't create the file name we want, but that's fine. That worked, and so we got it. So there you go. That is byte range. Very straightforward. Let's just clean up our bucket before we go here. So let's just say clean up. We'll say remove bucket here. We want to remove that file, which was called hello.txt, I believe, hello.txt. And so we'll just clean this up here, remove this, and then remove that. And commit my code, just show byte range. And wow, that was pretty darn easy, so that was great. Not always the case, but we'll see you in the next one, okay? Ciao.